Have you ever noticed there are hidden meanings for the logos too? So come with me. I'll show you a few of them. Starting with the first and foremost company, it should be Geo. So this is one of the company which is started by Reliance itself. So coming to the hidden meaning of this logo, which is nothing but a simple alphabets, right? So have you ever guys noticed that there must be an hidden meaning in this? Yes, there is. So once you mirror this Geo logo, you can see that this Geo forms an oil. Oil? Why oil? Any idea? Yes, I'll let you know. So oil, just because the Reliance company has started their main fields in oil and petroleum as first, and later they evolved into telecom and data mining. So they want their each and every field to have their first and foremost company. Hope you liked it. Coming to the second logo, which is Mahindra. You can see the Mahindra logo as an M or else any curved logos which is just forming M. Okay. So now the main hidden feature I can say is that these two curves, the curves which are going, which is nothing but a lane, a road, which depicts a road that it shows that you can go up to infinite journey by using their cars and using their products and all. Coming to the third and one of the interesting logo I can say, which is Tata. Tata logo, as you can see, Tata is nothing but T, right? You can only depict the T later in this logo, but there's also an hidden feature in this logo, which is that the T which is forming is nothing but a tree. It depicts a tree that the people who are trusting the Tata are under the shelter of this tree. And blue color also depicts that the logo stands for the excellence and the strength of the company products. So I hope you guys like till now. So coming to the second last logo, which is Dabur. As you can see that Dabur is itself a banyan tree. Okay, what exactly might be the hidden feature, but coming to the main point that the banyan tree that you can see, this tree is trunk which is formed by the three people who are raising their arms up to heights, which is nothing but it depicts that Dabur company is promoting the growth and excellence of the people by using the products and want their people to use those products and go up to more of the heights. So coming to the last and the interesting one, which is SBI logo, State Bank of India. As you can see, SBI is nothing but a circle with a white locker key over there. So coming to the first and foremost point is this blue circle, which depicts the completeness and unity among the people who trust the bank SBI. While this white stands for a man who is trusting the SBI and coming and opening their accounts. And coming to the interesting part, few of members also say that this company logo is also a depiction of an Ahmedabad city's Kakaria Lake. As you can see on screen, as you can compare both, the inspiration is taken from an Ahmedabad Kakaria Lake, it is said that. So yes, here comes to an end to the video. I hope you guys like it, and if you need the second part of this video, just let me know. Thank you. Bye.